Kerala Pachakari Stew. Coconut oil only. Whole garam masala. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. And star anise.
You just stir them till it gets sizzled, and then like it gives more flavor to it. Add little onions. Saute them till it gets translucent. Little ginger, little green chilies. You can either put whole or you can slit it into 2 pieces and put curry leaves. Just saute them for a little while.
Carrot, beans and cauliflower. Very simple dish, kids will like very well. You put raw vegetable, that time you check that vegetable is cooked or not. Otherwise, cooked vegetable you can add coconut milk. Coconut milk powder or fresh coconut milk, your wish. Once this vegetable is cooked, you can add coconut milk. Yeah, fresh coconut milk you made, one switch off, then only you can add, otherwise it will curdle. Finally add little pepper, your spice level. That's all, your stew is ready. Little curry leaf and coconut oil, it give more flavor. Yeah, very little.